Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you on how you can turn on stabilization in Krita. Now, to turn on the stabilization on Krita, basically, just to show you, I'm going to create a new document, and then I'm going to head over to the default workspace. So let's just click on the default option. And basically once inside, click on tool options and there will be this brush smoothing option. So if you want to turn on stabilization, just simply click on this drop down menu, click on the stabilizer option, and of course we have some additional options so we can turn on and off, adjust the properties, etc. And basically from there, you have successfully turned on the stabilization for Krita. As you can see, there's some delay on to my output right here. So we could reduce that to maybe something like 24 pixels. And it will be lessened out a bit. And basically, guys, from there, you are good to go. And so, guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.